So, the importance of software engineering is essential because it enables the development of reliable, efficient, and scalable software systems that power modern technology. From automating tasks and improving productivity to ensuring security and data protection, well engineered software plays a crucial role in nearly every industry. It helps business optimize operations, reduces costs by preventing technical issues, and allows for seamless scalability as user demands grow. So, beyond business and productivity, software engineering drives innovation and global connectivity. It enables advancement in artificial intelligence, mobile applications, and cloud computing, shaping the way people interact and access information. Additionally, as a high demand field, it creates job opportunities and supports economic growth in an increasingly digital world. Software engineering is the foundations of progress and technological evolution.